Sir, could you please show the options of the question number 17?
Yes, why not? Just a minute, it is getting hanged.
Okay, so you can show 17.
Yeah, just a minute. It's getting hanged. Just give me a second. Do it. 17 and 18.
Okay, sir.
Sir, please wait.
Sorry.
I'm saying you done up to 18 all? You have done? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just give me a minute. Let's you check your answer, please. Let you check your answer, please. And note it down that out of this one, how many of yours are incorrect? Please note it down.
Sir, what you have to note it?
What?
Sir, what you have to note?
You have to write, you have to check your answers. This is first answer is D, C. Okay, check how many of yours are correct and which one of the following is, means out of this 18 question, how many are incorrect? And note the incorrect one. Check it, please.
Yes, sir.
Okay, done you also? Everyone, Nabila and Gianna?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so tell me that out of these questions that you are having right now, okay, how many of them are incorrect? Okay, tell me. Yes, Gianna, which questions of yours is incorrect? Tell me. Five. Okay, which one? Speak na. Not working. That's- that's time. Yes, which one is incorrect? Tell me. Yes, you, Nabila, you tell me your questions, please.
I got like 6 wrong.
You got six wrongs. Which one?
Question 8.
Question
8.
8. Question number 8. Okay. Which among the following statement is or are true? Exposure to silver to sunlight during the okay. So actually, when we expose the silver, okay. Yeah, just a minute. If I'm saying if we have silver, okay, and silver is added AgCl, okay, and if you are having silver and this silver is actually silver chloride when added kept in sunlight, okay, when we keep it in sunlight. Give me a second, please. Just a second, dear students. Okay. Here we have simple, in a very simple manner. If I'm saying that silver chloride, okay, so AgCl, when you heat it, it get converted into AgCl plus Cl2, chlorine gas, okay. And this AgCl in the presence of sunlight, it get converted into this one. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
So the decompositions occurs. So if I ask you that this is a type of decomposition reaction, position reaction. It is a type of decomposition reaction. Moreover, if I took this question, okay, here it is saying that which of the following statement is or are true when silver chloride to sunlight, okay, silver chloride is kept for long duration in the sunlight. So you know that first of all, silver chloride will decompose, okay, to give chlorine gas. So first option, the formation of silver by the decomposition of chloride, silver chloride, this first option is correct. Okay, if I took this question here, you can check that the first question, the formation of silver chloride by decomposition of silver chloride, it is correct. Okay, you can check because we
Yes,
have
sir.
AgCl. When it decomposes, it will gives you Ag plus Cl2. So this silver chloride is decomposing to silver. So formation of silver by the decomposition of silver chloride, it is true. Second, formation of silver chloride, sublimation, no, sublimation is not done. Okay, because it does not get converted into gas. Okay. Second is decomposition of chlorine gas from silver chloride. Yeah, we can say that decomposition and oxidation of silver chloride. If the silver chloride is getting oxidized, we'll simply say that silver has oxidation state +1 here. Or if the oxidation state is not
Sir, I can't hear you.
इतनी देर से मैं तुम्हें समझा रहा हूँ and I am muted. You can't even tell me that I am muted. Why
So
are
can
you?
you hear me? So
I'm
can you
fine.
hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, I said that you're like I couldn't hear you. I said it.
And you can see, are you, is my photo, means is my video is available to you, no? You can check I am continuously speaking.
Yeah, so I asked you that. So I said you that I couldn't hear you.
Okay. So if I'm saying this one, that AgCl when decomposed, it said AgCl plus. Okay. Second is, if I talk about this one, the oxidation of silver chloride is done. No. If removal of oxygen or removal of any electronegative element, if oxygen is not available, so we'll say that chlorine, bromine, which has -1 oxidation state. Okay. If they are also removed, like for example, if it is AgO and it get converted into Ag plus O2, then you know that simple that removal of oxygen is reduction. Removal of oxygen is reduction. But here, if it is not oxygen, then we say that if the electronegative element is present, so then it is also reduction. Okay. Removal of electronegative element, then it is also reduction. Got it?
Yes.
Got it? So here, if the electronegative element is removed, the silver chloride is reduced, not oxidized. So we'll say that it is also incorrect. So this will be the correct option and this will be the correct option, because this is also incorrect and this is also incorrect, and we have to choose at least two. Only one is correct. Only one. We will say the decomposition of chlorine gas from silver chloride. Decomposition of chlorine gas from silver chloride, it is also correct. B. So 8 is B option.
So I
8
put B, but the answer
is A.
key you showed, it was A.
Only A, na? Because
Yes,
here,
sir.
yeah. Because here we'll simply say that a decomposition of chlorine gas. It is not the chlorine gas here. It is chloride ion. So because of that, this is also incorrect. Okay. So only A is
Okay.
correct. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Got it? Everybody, you understood? Understood? Yes or no? Gianna, Harshit, you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next question of Nabila. Next question.
Question 11.
Question number 11. Question number 11. Not working here. In question number 11, if you check the ratio, okay, the ratio is actually 1:, when we are just having, just concentrate here, electrolysis of water, water is during the decomposition. If I took about the mole ratio, so when you done the decomposition of water, it will gives you H2 plus O2. And if you balance it, you will get H2, 2H2 and 2. Okay, this way. Got it? If you balance it.
Yes.
This is the balanced chemical equation. Now you can check at that the ratio of the formation of hydrogen gas to oxygen gas is 2:1. 2:1. Okay. So if it is hydrogen to oxygen, if it is written hydrogen first and oxygen first, and it is asking the mole ratio. So this number is known as mole, which is written here. So mole ratio is mole ratio, and it is also called volume ratio. Volume ratio is same. It is 2:1. But if I ask you the formation of mass, what is the mass ratio when water is decomposed? So you check here that it is H2 and then O2. You check here there is 4 hydrogen. Mass of 4 hydrogen is 4. And that of two oxygen atom will be 32 because one oxygen atom has mass 16. The 2 oxygen atom is going to have mass 32. So if I ask you the mass ratio, then you cut it, you will get 1:8. So the mass ratio is 1:8 and the volume ratio or mole ratio is 2:1. Got it? Got it? So note it down.
Yes, sir.
Note this question also in your copy, please. Note the question number 11, please, in your copy, everybody.
Okay, sir.
Well, sir.
Done.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next. Which question after this one? In which
The
we are
question 13.
question
13. 1, 3.
1, 3, 13. If I took the question number 13 here, okay, and question number 13, we'll check in double displacement reaction when we have lead nitrate, okay, lead nitrate, and when you heat it, you will get lead oxide plus nitrogen dioxide plus oxygen gas, okay. No, this is different question. Lead nitrate, PbNO3 whole twice when react with potassium iodide, Ki, it will give you PbI2 plus K potassium nitrate, okay. This is a double displacement reaction. And this from the yellow PPT. This from the yellow precipitate. Okay. Understood? Are you getting my point? Yes or no? Yes.
Yes,
Now
sir.
we're saying that if the potassium nitrate is not available, if it is not available, okay. If it is not available, then which you can take. So we can say that lead sulfate we can't take. Why? Because lead sulfate is actually PbSO4. If I talk about PbSO4, the PbSO4 is insoluble. So if it is insoluble, means the particles are tightly packed and they are not going to react. Okay. If I take PbSO4 and I add potassium iodide, so they will not react because it is insoluble. Okay. It will not give you the potassium iodide. Okay. Or lead
Okay,
iodide.
sir.
Okay. So it is not possible because it is insoluble. So this is not. Secondly, if I need to make the lead iodide with potassium on reaction with potassium iodide, okay, so I need at least lead here. So lead acetate is available. Lead acetate is water soluble. Okay, ammonium. Why can't I take ammonium nitrate? Because if you take ammonium nitrate here, so here ammonium iodide will be formed, not lead iodide. Ammonium nitrate. If I take ammonium nitrate, NH4 NO3, okay, ammonium nitrate. So when it react with potassium iodide, it will not give you lead because lead iodide, we want lead iodide here. Get yellow PPT, okay. So if lead iodide is not possible, okay, you understood what I'm saying? So
Yes,
we
sir.
can't take this ammonium nitrate because if we take the ammonium nitrate, there will be no lead and we want yellow PPT. On yellow PPT is given by lead iodide. So if it is no lead in ammonium nitrate, so because of that reason, it is also rejected. And potassium sulfate, here is potassium and it is also potassium sulfate. So potassium cannot replace each other. So that's because of that reason we can't take it. Okay. And moreover, we need at least lead. So that here it is not lead present, here is no lead present. So we'll take this one. Why not this one? Because this is insoluble. Lead sulfate is insoluble. So because of that, we can't take it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So lead acetate is the correct answer. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next,
So 14.
the 14th one. Yes, what happened in the 14th? You will check that which of the following gas can be used for the storage of sample for the long time. Nitrogen gas, nitrogen or helium. Oxygen can't because oxygen readily react. So we'll take nitrogen and helium. Helium is an inert gas. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon. These are the noble gas. They don't react. And nitrogen behave like an inert gas, but it is not an inert gas because nitrogen is triple bonded. It does not readily react with anyone. So that's why D will be the correct option.
Okay, sir.
Next one,
So 15.
15th also.
Yeah, and 16. Yeah.
15th and 16th. Okay. So 15th and 16th. Okay. Here we have which of the following is used in the laboratory. Sorry, which is used in the preparation of oxygen gas. This means this reaction is used for the preparation of oxygen gas in the laboratory. Okay. So which type of reaction it is? It is a decomposition reaction. Is or are correct? So it is a decomposition reaction. Yes, because one substance is broken down into two or more substances. So that it is a decomposition reaction. And since the heat is given, we are giving the heat here. Heat is not. If it is heat is released, then heat will be written like here. But it is not written here. It is written here. It means heat is given. So if the heat is given, it is an endothermic reaction. So it is a decomposition reaction and endothermic reaction. A is the correct option. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Next 16. Which of the following process involve in chemical reaction?
So this, I know this one. I don't know why, but I wrote the wrong option maybe.
Which of the following process involve the chemical reaction? So storing of oxygen gas under pressure, it is a physical process. Liquefaction of air is also physical. Petrol in channels will get evaporated. So we'll simply say here that the last option is correct.
Yes, sir.
Heating of copper wire in the presence of high temperature, when you heat it, you will get CuO. Means copper when it will react with the atmospheric oxygen, it will give you CuO. Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next.
It's done, sir.
Yes, Harshit, is there any questions left? Means which Nabila asked, okay? And is there still any question which is left of yours, which I have not explained?
Sir, could you please explain the first and third?
Question number third,
And first.
third and first,
Yes, sir.
third and first, all are correct. Means other are common with Harna.
No, sir, the Nabila asked is like 11th, 14th, 15th. That's also my also correct, but now I know them.
Okay, first and third. Phase of falling is not a physical change. Physical change means the change in which no new substance is formed. So not a physical change means indirectly it is asking for the chemical change. So which is the chemical change? When you burn the liquefied petroleum gas, so it will give you burning of anything is always when the word combustion is being used. Combustion, it means it is a chemical change. So C4H10 is the formula for the petroleum gas, and when it react with oxygen, atmospheric oxygen, it will gives you carbon dioxide and water. So that you will going to learn, but it is the simple. Dilution of salt is a physical process because when you add salt before it has a taste of means its taste is salty, and after the change it is also having the taste of salt. So that's why it is a chemical change, sorry, physical change. Melting of ice is also a physical change because water in the solid state when get converted into liquid state it is still water, no new substances formed. And boiling of water is also a change in state, it is also a physical change. Okay, question number 2.
Sir, it's clear.
Question number 2 also.
No, sir.
Is there any question?
Sir,
3.
third, yes.
Third one. Yes, simple. We are just having this iron. Okay, iron when added with oxygen, it will gives you iron oxide. So it means is getting oxidized because iron
Yes.
is added with oxygen. And water, because from water hydrogen is being removed. So oxygen is being removed. So removal of oxygen is reduction. So you check that from water, oxygen is being removed. So water is getting reduced. And the substance that is reduced is known as oxidizing agent. Okay. So water is reduced and water is also a reducing agent. It is incorrect. If water is reduced, it is an oxidizing agent. So 1, 3, and 4th. 1, 3, and 4th. Where is 1, 3? 1 and 4. C is the correct option. 1, 2, and 4th.
Okay, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you. Gianna, is there any questions of yours which I have not explained and you want me to explain? Gianna, you there in the class? Gianna. Oh, why not 18? Having problem with the mic. Okay. 18 question. Question number 18. Which of the following are combination reaction? Combination reaction is those reaction in which a single substance is broken into two or more. No, two or more substances are combining. A plus B plus C are combining and they are giving you only a single product. Their product will be single. There can be more than one, but a product should be single. So here there are two products, so it is not a combination reaction. Here it is a single product, it is a combination reaction. Here it is a single product, it is a combination reaction. Here it are two products, it is not a combination reaction. So second and third. Second and third. D is the correct option. Is there anyone? Is there anyone which you didn't explain? Which I need to explain you? Yes or no? Okay, so I come to know that I need to explain you one more time the uh, displacement and combination and double displacement reaction. I need to explain you one more time. Okay. I'm just going to
So
explain.
can you just the 17th one? I want to know how.
Okay, you want to know the 17th one.
Mm.
Okay. In the 17th question, if I talk about this one, it is saying that in which of the following a chemical equation, the abbreviations is correct. Okay. So if I'm talking about this one, so H2 when react with O2 will gives you H2H2O. Okay. Now you know that this is hydrogen gas, this is oxygen gas, and it is saying that which of the following chemical reaction they represent the correct state of reactant and product involved at the reaction temperature. So reaction at the reaction temperature, you know that hydrogen when burns in the presence of oxygen, it will gives you water, but water is not found in the liquid state because this reaction is so exothermic that the heat liberated out during this reaction let the water get converted into steam. So at the reaction temperature, at the room temperature, water is liquid. But at this temperature, at which this reaction is taking place, this is very high temperature, which is above 100 or 1000 degrees Celsius. Okay. So because of that, the state of this one should be gas. This one is also gas, and this one should be also gas. They all should be gas. So D is the correct
Okay,
answer.
sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So let's you start doing. Do question number 21 and try to write X, Y, Z, and AQ, what is missing here. Do question number 21, please, in your copy.
So I don't know how to do A and C.
Okay. Let me explain you that this is lead nitrate equation that I have shown you, that X will be the solid substance. Okay. X will be the solid substance. Here it will be the X will be solid substance, and Y will be the aqueous, AQ, aqueous. Okay. Got it? Y will be
Okay,
the
sir.
aqueous. Copper. Coppers when react with aqueous NO3, it will give you copper nitrate aqueous plus Ag. Ag. It is a displacement reaction. The copper nitrate is forming. So Ag will be silver, and it is solid. So X, it is written X here. So it is Ag. Okay. So here X is Ag. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Here, here you check that zinc is reacting with H2SO4, so it will gives you zinc sulfate and zinc sulfate plus hydrogen gas. So here X is in aqueous because it is an aqueous, it is a PPT is not formed here. Zinc sulfate is remain in the zinc sulfate form, okay, and it is always in aqueous. So here X is aqueous, AQ, okay, and the state of this hydrogen will be here Y is gas, G, gas,
Okay,
and
sir.
there calcium carbonate is solid, and X here is heat when you heat it. So when you
Okay,
heat it, it will gives you calcium hydroxide and this one. So note it down each and everything there. First write down the X and Y, then write the answers correctly.
done. Sir.
Done?
Yeah.
Okay. You also, Nabila? Oh, sorry.
Yes, sir. Okay.